So what I have here beside me is a Trachycarpus fortunei palm in our garden on the north end of Salt Spring Island, and I planted this one in February 1987 when it was just a small palm, about a 1 to 2 gallon size, no bigger than that. And I can honestly say this one is thriving on neglect. Don't really do anything with it except water it. I don't even fertilize it. It's growing in poor native soil. It'd probably be a lot bigger now if it was under optimum growing conditions, but it seems to be happy. It's a female and it's got a lot of seed on it. I pollinate it with male pollen every year with Trachycarpus wagnerianus to hybridize it, so the seed will produce a hybrid offspring. It's so prolific as seedlings around here. It's seeding itself. There's so many palm seedlings growing around the base, but I'll grab the camera in a minute and I'll show you. They just drop off the seeds and they grow. And other seeds I harvest on some of the other stalks, and I ship them or I grow them. And this one here will just keep on getting bigger. These are Chinese windmill palms, and best suited for Zone 8B here on the west coast of Canada, in the southern Gulf Islands, by the way, on Salt Spring Island. And this one is located about 900 feet or so from the Pacific Ocean, so never gets so cold here in the winter, but they can take pretty cold temperatures. Anything our winters can dish out, this palm will handle. They are a fan palm, and you do need a male and a female if you want to get seed produced on them. The female will produce the seed. They both flower, but the male pollinates the female. And within 10 meters apart, if they're planted, you're going to get better pollination. Closer the better. Better to group plant them. And you can't really tell what sex they are until they flower, and that usually takes maybe about 10 years of age. They will bloom. So they have a fibrous trunk. They're native to cooler areas of China, and there are many species in the genus, the hardiest being Trachycarpus, but this one is completely foolproof here in our southern Gulf Island climate. I'll grab that for you, and I will show you what I'm talking about. Got to chop off some of the lower fronds here. It's the 20th of September today, and you can see the seedlings here. They just grow like weeds all over the place. So those are baby palm trees. When I planted that palm, it was about this size right here in 1987. So it'll be 30 years in February. So that's one of its offspring. They're just like all over the place, growing in amongst the euphorbias. And you can see some of the hybrids, you know, the offspring. So that is a Chinese windmill palm, and you can see the fruit up there too. There's the fruit right there. So that is a happy, healthy windmill palm, Chinese windmill palm, growing here on the north end of Salt Spring Island. We have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these things in our garden and on our property. So, and it's appreciated. The rain we had the other night, just loves it. They can handle our wet winters just fine. And you can see the big fan leaves on it. They're beauties. So try one of these in your garden if you live in a similar growing zone. They grow year round here. They just don't stop growing.